Hello, it's me, Nightmare King Armored Robot. But I have an update. I have an update that will make you interested. Number 1, I can see very better now. I have been upgraded for my bodies, and I also have black arms now. So it will be more better. And also, I am more scary now. I'm more scary now. You can see that. It's great, isn't it? Yeah, it is. I am a lot more scary now. Even with my red glowing eye. I can wake up in the dark, as you all know already. When the power comes out, I'll be more aggressive. So far, so good. We have a great evilness. Me and my friend Creeper, with a mask, we are great friends. We always kill child together. Or should I say Night Guard from Five Nights at Freddy's. We hit a lot of subscribers. Thank you. We did. Yes, we did great. We did great. Yeah. Sorry if I'm scaring you, because I am scary a lot now. I'm strong! I'm strong now. A lot stronger. I'm protected. I'm protected from any sorts of dangers. Any sorts of dangers will ever happen. I kill them. Now together. Now we are together forever. We will get to rule the place. We get to rule this house. We get to rule everything we have. Everything we have. Very great news, isn't it? Yeah. It makes a lot of sense now, because I can now be the most powerfulest robot ever. I can jump scare people to death. Let me just turn off the lights and I'll show you my glowing eye. Don't you even think about it. And now we have everything to stop those haters. We will stop every haters from killing us. Ha ha ha. But thank you all so much for those subscribers. Me and my friend appreciate that. Thank you so much. The developer really did great on this. I appreciate you guys. And always remember, thank you so much. We will not kill you. If you are subscribed, you will be safe. You better subscribe or else I'll get to you. If you are subscribed, you'll be safe. Bye for now. Bye bye. Ha 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 ha.